Alright, here we are on the 26th. Here you can see hot water. This has been fixed numerous times. It's totally hot. You can see the steam coming off it because it is overflowing and the hot water heater is running non-stop because this is just pouring water out all over the floor. And as you can see, the float is completely submerged and it's running all over the floor here, down the drain, and there's enough. You can see that the drain is actually full. There's all the water pouring out of it, and obviously hot steamy water. It's been like this every single night, has not been able to be fixed yet.